Hello everyone, this is day 19 Immune System Boost Challenge. Today, tip 19 is aloe. Let's talk about aloe. So here is my favorite aloe products, and the first one is our aloe gel, and you can see I just squeeze a little bit on my hands, and it's super hydrate, and they can help me if I got mosquito bite or got sunburned. I usually put them in my travel bag and also in my purse sometimes. That really help. And also aloe gel if you add with Vaselines, and that could be a very hydrated mask for your face. So please try it. And also you can mix with aloe gel with some ethanol to become the sanitizer for your hands. So it's really keep your skin very healthy and hydrate. And this is aloe juice. So this aloe juice, I love it when I go to my dental appointment, like clean my teeth. So after clean, I usually drink like half bottle of that, because as we know, aloe is internal and external, anti-inflammation. So it's really help like your throat. If you have icky throat or your throat is hurt, you talk too much, you can drink some aloe juice. And this brand, they qualified or the certificate from the aloe. It's called ACTIV. Aloe is a registered trademark of aloe crop. So this whole bottle you can dilute with some water, but for me, I'm really get used to like drink the original aloe from this like big bottle. It's really helped me. And this is for travel. If you need to go somewhere else and you cannot carry the whole bottle, they have the aloe powder. They have different flavor like strawberry, kiwi. Some of them has different flavor, but so far the original flavor and the kiwi strawberry flavor is my favorite. And you just mix with water, and it's very tasty and little sweet, but the natural flavor, they don't have any sweetness. And I just want to say aloe is really great plant. Even you plant at home, they can help to fresh your home air. And sometimes I cut some aloe and I use the aloe meat to spoil with some coconut oil, and I put on my hair and scalp. It's really nice and help my scalp very healthy, grow more hair, and keep my hairs hydrated. So aloe is my favorite natural like plants and products. Alright, so hope you enjoy it. Aloe is the best plants for our immune system too. I hope this video can help you. And grow some aloe. You can tell I have a lot of aloe babies, and if you need one, let me know. Welcome, share your way to boost immune systems. Bye.